See how the breeze is blowing my hair? So it's actually working, I think. I'm pretty sure. I'll have to give you the name of it to try it out, because if you see the breeze blowing there, we'll test it. So this is looking from the other side of the river. I just thought I'd stop by, show you with my microphone working. Just watching where I'm walking here. It's pretty steep. So there's the Ravenswood over there. Those are cabins that people can stay in all along there. Houseboats for rent. I did a video on this a couple of years ago actually. Went on one of the houseboats. It's pretty. The other thing I said in that other video was friends of ours used to be the chefs at the Ravenswood about 20 years ago, I suppose. So we used to hang out here quite a bit, and they stayed and lived in one of those cabins over there. So I know this area fairly well. So now I'll just go back up to the car and head down to Pinjarra. So I passed all the bushfires where the bushfires were coming down. Pretty sad to see all that burnt. It was sort of like about 2 kilometres of burn. And I mean, I know it's going to all regrow, but it was still sad. It jumped the freeway. I could see where it jumped the freeway easy. Luckily it didn't get into the grassed area. Anyway, here we go, the beautiful Murray River. Lots of birds. I don't know if you can hear the birds now. They're in these trees up here. Let's see if you can hear them. And there's a bit of a breeze as well, so it'll be an interesting test. Oh, there he is, little fella up in there. It's a little happy bird. So this is the Edenvale precinct. It's historic. 1860, that building was built. And all these here, I've got craft shops and things like that. It's a bit of a museum-y place over there. So last time I was here, it was raining. I was on that bus trip and we had only an hour, so could only rush around. But I'm not going to go on the places today because I want to do other things. That's beautiful. So it's called Nart's Collection. So that tells you where everything is. I think this used to be a jail, a butcher's shed. So they chopped up slaughtered their meat there. Very nice. Oops, there's a train. Beautiful gardens here. Looks like some roses are out, so we'll have a quick squiz at those. And some flowers here. We won't see the train because it's behind those trees. This is quite beautiful. All those flowers. We just stepped out of a painting. It's beautiful. Purples and cream flowers with some other ones in there. Don't know what they are. But this is so pretty. Lots of flies around. Isn't that beautiful? We'll see how good my microphone's working here because there's lots of traffic. We'll go over and look at the roses over there in the rose garden. So this is Pinjarra's Heritage Rose Garden. Looks like a lot of them have died off, but it still looks pretty. It's just a snapshot of the gardens, not doing close-ups too much. Looks very much like a bit of Monet's gardens in France. Just all the colours, it just reminds me of that. Monet in Paris, who's going to that? I am. Haven't got a ticket yet, but it's going to be here for a couple of months, so I'll do it in this next coming month. We'll walk along here and down under the bridge. This is new. There's the church. Show you the Murray River on a fine day. It's not rushing through like it was last time. I can't hear it. Beautiful day today. It's going to be 31, I think, or 32. maybe more in Perth, but that's what it is down here. Kicking flies out of my mouth again. Right, we shall walk along here to the swing bridge and back up onto the main road. By that time it should be time to meet my adopted nana. I like that seat, it's pretty cool. Let me have a look. That's lovely. Beautiful reflections down there. All the while I'm hoping my microphone is doing its job. I should stop and check it, but I'm not going to. I'll wait till I get to the end of this pathway. See how different it was from the last time when I did the Murray River Pinjarra pictures. Grey skies then, rain, no reflections. So I'm going to the dome in Pinjarra, which by the time I come back off that swing bridge I should be right across the road from it. I have to go and pick up some flowers. Well, I don't have to, I'm choosing to. Of me in this setting, but it was really hard because the sun's right face down on my eyes. Anyway, I think that's the closest we're going to get. Isn't it lovely? I just love it when the sun's on this. Well, here we go on the bridge in the sunny weather.